Let's make some grilled cheese. First, we need the bread. And obviously. Hang on. Let me just open this. We got some bread, guys. Alright. Now we take this, we find the cheese. Yeah, we got cheese, guys. We got cheese. Hang on, 2 points. Close enough. Alright, let's set up station here again. Alright. Let's get this cheese packet open. Alright, guys, we almost got it. We almost got the grilled cheese. Nice. Alright. Now, we take this, and I will come over here. Perfect. I'm only making one because I had another piece before recording this. So, yeah. This is my second thing of grilled cheese. Oh, right. We need to plug this in. Alright. And now, we'll just sit here and wait. No, that does not work. We want to set this up. Perfect. We'll grab the butter, even though it's not important. We just need to set up the camera. Alright. Yep, it's cooking. While that's cooking, I'll go grab a knife. We got a knife, people. Although recommended, don't use this against people, okay? I'll just put this to the side. I'll grab a plate as well. Be right back. There, we got a plate. As you can see, this is the remains of my first grilled cheese. So, yeah. I'll just go put these on the table. Actually, no, wait. I'll leave these right here so I can put the grilled cheese on here once it's finished. Yeah, hi guys. Wait, I'll be right back. I'll get Barry. Got Barry, guys. Okay, guys. Say hi to Barry. Yes, hi. Hi, Barry. Okay. And now we reposition. Ah, shoot. Okay. This is good. Alright, I'll just put Barry by the table. You can sit there. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? I'm already at 5 minutes in recording. And also, this video is not edited in any way. So you guys get to watch the whole process. I didn't want to cut anything out. Well, maybe I could have skipped you guys out on this whole waiting process. So, I mean, guess I can grab Barry again. You can say hi to him again. Oh no, wait, it's finished. Here, Barry. Okay, it's finished. Hang on. Oh yeah, grilled cheese. Just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna unplug this. Now we're gonna come over here, take our grilled cheese, say hi to Barry. Alright, we'll position that right there. Let's need to grab my knife. Oh wait, you can't see Barry very well, can you? There's Barry. Here's my knife. Yes. Guys, that's how you make grilled cheese, people.